How to edit or delete MX record in cPanel using the DNS Zone Editor. Log into your cPanel account, you will be on this page. Scroll down to the Domains section and click on the Zone Editor icon. Now click on the Manage button in front of the domain whose MX record you want to edit or delete. Suppose we want to edit or delete the MX record of the domain example.com, then click on the Manage button. Now click on the Edit button of any of the loaded records you want to edit. Now edit the record and click on the Save Record button. That's it, the MX record has been updated. To delete a record, click on the Delete button and continue. That's it, we have deleted the MX record. Now you know how to edit or delete MX record. Thank you for watching.